Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can go live on Instagram. Maybe you want to go live on Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can go live on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. Once you open it, you will be directed into this Instagram homepage. Once you open it, you will see the icon below the search icon, plus button icon, video icon, and your profile icon. And then in here, to go live, simply tap on this plus icon. And then in here, you will see the option post, story, reel, and live. Go into this live section, and you can type in here your title, and then you can select audience, and you can also schedule. After that, you can select a filter if you want and then tap on this go live. As you can see, checking connections. As you can see, you are now live. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to go live on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can go live on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.